Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this hands-on video, I'm going to show you how to reset data usage stats in Windows 11. Resetting these stats can help you monitor your network activity from scratch, especially if you are trying to keep track of the data usage over a specific period. That's it, let's get started. So first off, you have to hit the Start button and then choose the Settings app. And from the left sidebar, you have to choose Network and Internet option. And then you have to scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. And under More Settings option, you have to choose Data Usage option. You will now see data usage for different network adapters such as Wi-Fi or Ethernet. And then you have to select the network adapter you would like to reset. And then you have to scroll down and click on the reset button to clear the data usage stats. And after that, make sure to confirm any prompts and your data usage stats will reset to 0. And that's about it. You have successfully reset the data usage stats on your Windows device. Now you can monitor your data usage from a fresh start. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.